my weekly market recap. I'm gonna go over all my trades I took to this week. I'm gonna go over the trades that I didn't take that I should have taken, right? So let's go over it. I'm gonna learn that. I'm gonna basically say what can we do, what can we take over to the next week and do better, right? So for this week on Monday, we had basically had a setup on the buy side right here. I took the trade, but I broke even too early and it took me out. So what was the what do you call it, key point of this? Is not to break even too early. Know that your concept will deliver, right? Boom, TP hit, right? Using I was using a 4-hour auto block, right? They can't push it down. I had a sell setup. Found the sell setup, boom. I didn't take this one because I was like, I can't do it because it goes against religion, right? So I didn't take that one. I took another one right here. This one right here I did not take. It was because of news came out bullish, right? I said news gonna come out bullish. News came out bullish here. I take profit. But I did not take this one because the news came out. So, and this other one I took it, right? I took it basically out of my buying pattern, which happened two red and two green. Took that out of that, boom, bought right there, and hit my take profit, right? So what was the key point of this trade? To know that your concept will deliver, to basically believe in your concept, be confident, don't be feared, you know. Another thing, be patient, be really patient, and do not break even too early, right? On the 2-day trade, I remember this Tuesday we had a setup right over here. So this setup took a while to hit my take profit, right? Was it, I think it was not this one. Was it this one? We go to the 5-minute target because you told me better. So Tuesday was rare. He was right over. Wednesday, Tuesday, right over here. So on a 2-day trade, right, hit my building block over here. Was it this one, chat? I can't remember myself. Boom, touch that building block. Yep, I did this Tuesday, right? I did not take this trade, but I should have taken this trade. But right when I end my stream, right over here, touch a 15-minute fair value gap, and a 30-minute fair value gap, and a 15-minute order block, and a 30-minute order block. Right on that, and I was looking for a breakout structure, was right here, and the reaction out of the order block, right, got touched, right? So right out of the reaction, I entered that. My sell side would have been right below here, right? My take profit was right on this 1 hourly high because I was going to get the daily bots, right? So basically on that. This trade right here, I did not take, but I should have taken it. So the key point of this trade was to, but it was like out of my range of trading, so that's all right. So what was the main point of this trade would have been, be patient, because I would have not waited 12 hours for this setup to form. So yeah, so be patient and know that your concept will deliver and believe in your concept. So and trust the process of the trade, not the outcome of the trade, right? That's what I gotta do, right? On this day, I remember taking this trade right over here. I took a trade. I did not take this trade. I didn't take none of these trades because really premium spot. But on this day, it touched a fair value gap, touched the order block, right? It went back up. I was like, yo, I was looking for a trade right here, but when we were back up here, touched the order block, right? Touched the order block, went up higher. So my first entry would have been here, touched right below the fair value gap. Took another entry right over here on the right where touched my fair value gap. Took another one right here, boom, touched the same touched right over here. Another one right over here, touched below that other fair value gap, which was. It was not that one. It was right here, right? I took another one right over here. Sasa right over here. This trade. What were the main key point of this trade? Was to basically now buy a premium. I did not take any of these trades because they were in premium, right? So I don't want to buy it. You know, saying quality over quantity. You know, saying quality over quantity. So yeah, outer risk right here. Outer risk 1%, 0.5%, 0.5%, right? So on this other trade right over here, I took the trade. Right, so this trade took a while, right? But the trade was basically out of, so the hourly, I was against the hourly time frame, right? My bias was bullish, so I was against the hourly time frame. So I was basically 415 to break a structure, right? So he ripped up here, it never broke structure up. But keep in mind, when we got in, it was not a 5-minute confluence. It was not a 5-minute confluence, right? It was a 15-minute confluence. So right when the 15-minute confluence got touched, I entered on that. Boom, sell side right below the fair value gap. It took a while. I got out right here and I hit my take profit right here. So what was the key point of this trade? To be patient, know that your concept will deliver. And once you hit the take profit, look at the 15-minute time frame. It closed above or below. If you close above, hold the next take profit. And this one closed above, right? So I should have hold it, right? And I got out too early. And after, the next thing is that I have to let the candle close, right? And on Friday, I didn't take no trade because I did take a trade right here, right? The same sales. I thought the same buying pattern happened, right? That's my zone, boom. This ain't out of. I trade this one, right? I got out, but it was break even trade, right? And this other trade, I took this one, I should have took, so basically on Friday I took this one, but it was a break-even trade. I took another one right over here. It was a, what do you call it? I did not take it, but I should have taken this one because it was my buying pattern. So next time I would, what would the keep one of this trades, right? Is to know that your concept will deliver, know that believe in your setup, believe in your pattern, believe in your concept, right? And be confident, right? Because I would have not lost nothing. Because why? Because I would have broke even and not lose no money, right? So that's what I learned. So that's what we could do better next time, right? And yeah, that was basically. So what can we carry to the next week? So this week we could carry being patient and knowing that your concept will deliver. So be patient, know that your concept will deliver, believe in your concept, be confident in your concept, right? And the other thing is that be fearless, you know what I'm saying? And one more thing is that trust in the process of the trade, not the outcome of the trade. Trust the process, know when to de-risk, know when to add on risk, you know what I'm saying? Play around with the breakout structure, right? So when you break up structure from the market, look for different confluences, right, to get in, right? And the other thing is that the other thing is that when that 15 minutes out of the, so when the outlet against our bias, I'm looking for a 15 minute breakup structure, right? If I don't get a 15 minute breakup structure and I see a 15 minute conflict that got touched, I could take that. You know what I'm saying? The better entry is risking only 0.5% on that trade. So that's what we could do. So this is what I'm gonna take over to the next week. So when the hourly time frame is against my bias, right, and I'm looking for a 15 minute breakup structure, right, I'll constantly monitor a 5 to 15 minute time frame. And if I don't see a 15 minute breakup structure, I'm gonna look for a 15 minute building block. Would that get touched, right? I will add a 0.5% risk on that. And once he breaks structure up and gives you another setup, I'll get a risk 1% on that, right? This is what I might carry to the next week. Thank you for watching. This is my weekly market recap.